Every time you open a website, something invisible happens. Your device sends a message. A server replies. This exchange happens in milliseconds, and it happens billions of times every day. This system is called HTTP. The HyperText Transfer Protocol is the language your browser uses to communicate with servers. In this video, we will break it down, step by step. Clearly, when you look at a website, you see images, text, and buttons. But the web is not made of visuals. The web is made of messages. Your browser is a translator. It takes raw data from a server and turns it into a page. Under the surface, everything is just structured text. Requests going out, responses coming back. HTTP defines how these messages should look. It defines how they should be sent, and it defines how they should be understood. HTTP is based on a simple idea. You ask, the server answers. Your browser sends a request. The server sends a response. This is called the request-response model. Every website you visit, every API call, every image you load, all of it follows this pattern. Let's look inside a request. A request contains four main parts. 1. The method. 2. The path. 3. The headers. 4. The body. The method is the action. For example, get, post, put, or delete. The path is what you want. For example, /products or /images/logo.png. Headers contain extra information. Your language, your cookies, your device type, your accepted formats. The body is optional. It contains data you want to send. For example, a login form or a JSON object. Now let's look at the response. A response also has three main parts. 1. The status code. 2. The headers. 3. The body. The status code tells you what happened. 200 means success. 300 means redirection. 400 means a client error. 500 means a server error. Headers describe the content, its type, its size, its cache rules, and more. The body contains the actual content. HTML, JSON, images, videos, files. HTTP is stateless. This means the server does not remember previous requests. Each request is independent. Each request starts fresh. This makes HTTP simple. It also makes it scalable, but it means websites need help to remember who you are. That is why we use cookies, sessions, and tokens. These tools add memory to a stateless protocol. HTTP uses methods to describe actions. Here are the most common ones. Get, retrieve something. Post, submit data. Put, replace something. Patch, update part of something. Delete, remove something. Head, get headers only. Options, ask the server what is allowed. These methods give structure to the web. They make APIs predictable. They make websites consistent. Originally, HTTP was not secure. Data was sent in plain text. Anyone on the network could read it. HTTPS fixes this. It adds encryption. Your browser and the server create a secure connection. They exchange keys. They protect your data. Today, HTTPS is the standard. It keeps your passwords safe. It keeps your messages private. And it prevents tampering. HTTP has evolved over time. HTTP/1.1 is the classic version. It is simple, but it allows only one request at a time per connection. HTTP/2 improves performance. It is binary. It supports multiplexing. It allows multiple requests over a single connection. HTTP/3 is the newest version. It is built on QUIC. It uses UDP instead of TCP. It is faster on unstable networks. It is designed for mobile and modern internet traffic. Even with modern frameworks and tools, HTTP remains the foundation of the web. Every website uses it. Every mobile app uses it. Every cloud service uses it. Understanding HTTP helps you understand how the internet works. It helps you debug problems. It helps you design better systems. And it gives you a clear mental model of how data moves online. So now you know the core idea behind HTTP. A request, a response, a simple protocol that powers the entire web. The next time you open a website, remember, behind that moment is a tiny conversation. Fast, silent, and essential. This is HTTP. Simple, reliable, everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter of this digital adventure.